Okay, here we go. I have a can here of Mane Hair Thickening Spray and Root Concealer. Root, okay. So we got to get it to the root. Let's look at the directions. Mane Hair Thickening Spray with added sheen that'll make your hair look and feel thicker instantly. Sheen, I like that. Simply add as below and then style as required. Use as frequently as you want. Shampoo hair, blah, 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 blah. Do not use on the scalp. Okay. Now, I did notice on one of the videos, the woman was spraying it directly onto her forehead, but we'll try not to because I do want to fill in this area. All right, so it says shake vigorously. I've been shaking this thing probably a good few minutes. I'm going to keep shaking it. I'm going to shake it. Keep shaking it. I'm going to shake it. See, this is the area that I need to conceal. I actually did have a hair replacement about 3 months ago, and they said it's safe to use this because I've been wearing hats. All right, so let's try it. I'm just gonna kind of spray it. Let's get up on top. Just move it around. Everywhere. I'm not sure how it looks. It's funny because it doesn't have a sheen. Kind of looks like dust, like I have dust in my hair. And look at all that. Huh. It's really, wow. And look at the scalp. They say to avoid it. But even in the hair, it's chalky. You tell me. Yes or no?